Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we are looking at the VR P10 from Soundcore, the first made-for-meta gaming earbuds. So, let's take a look. As always, a bit of housekeeping before we get into the video. The VR P10, which for the purpose of this video to make it easier I will just be calling the P10, are available starting today and of course will be linked in the description down below. And they come in at $99, which I think is a pretty nice price for what you're getting here, so let's get into it. Now, one of the key features of the P10 is that they pair perfectly with the Meta Quest 2, meaning those fast-paced FPS shooters and music games like Beat Saber will benefit from super low latency sound with the Lightning Sync tech on board. Now this, along with the USB-C dongle that comes in the package, allows for under 30 milliseconds of latency. Now this also includes the 2.4 GHz connection and LC3 codec for lossless audio. Now I personally don't own a Meta Quest 2, however you can also use the USB-C dongle on multiple other devices as well. So for example, if you've got the PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck or PC, you can pretty much plug and play, you're set and ready to go. And of course they can also be used as standard earbuds for the mobile side of things. So again, taking calls, listening to music, watching videos, playing games on mobile, that can all be done as standard using Bluetooth. So taking a look at the design, we have a really nice white, silver and black finish. They have a nice futuristic look to them and the design fits in super well with the Quest 2. The case has USB-C charging on the bottom and a pairing button around the back with a subtle Soundcore logo on the front. Once you open the case, you're granted with some nice accent colours on both the case itself and also the earbuds, and overall I just really like how the case opens and presents the earbuds. Now in the top of the case is where you're going to be finding that USB-C dongle to allow for that super low latency gameplay. And I really like the way that it's just integrated into the case. It just means that it's one more smaller piece of tech that you're not going to go ahead and lose. Once you're done using it with the Quest 2 or any other device, you can pop it back straight into the case itself, ready for the next time you want to play. Now the VR P10 comes with one USB-C dongle in the case, however you can allow up to 4 different connections with multiple different USB-C dongles, which again are available in the website link down below. So what this means is you can have one dongle that's plugged into your Meta Quest 2 all of the time, and then another one that's plugged into your PC all the time, and then really easily in the Soundcore app, switch between the two, no problems at all. You don't have to disconnect, reconnect or repair anything, you're just basically switching which device is going to the earbuds themselves. Now the design of the earbuds is also really nice with this silver and white finish, and you've got a pink accent colour. But if pink isn't for you, you also have 5 different colours that you can change between, along with the lighting modes like static, breathing and off to save on battery life, all controlled within the Soundcore app. And of course they do feature the standard earbud technology such as the touch controls on the earbuds themselves and multiple different ear tips to get that perfect fit. So with a nice design and the option to connect to multiple different devices with the USB-C dongles, how do they actually perform day to day? Well, from my side of things, I don't actually own a Quest 2 or a PlayStation 4 or 5 or even a gaming PC. Everything I do is on my MacBook Pro and I've recently upgraded to the iPhone 14 Pro, so I don't necessarily have many options for testing that side of things. However, although I couldn't film it, I have tried using the USB-C dongle and the earbuds with a gaming laptop. And that experience was actually extremely good. Now don't get me wrong, it's not going to give you that sort of one-to-one interaction you would have with a wired pair of headphones. However, in terms of that under 30 milliseconds latency, it done a super good job. Even for, more fast-paced gaming like Apex Legends or Call of Duty, for example, it's still done a really good job at making sure that what you're seeing on screen matched up pretty much one-to-one or as close as possible, being wireless with the earbuds themselves. But low latency doesn't really mean too much if the sound quality isn't there. So from my side of things, I have been using the earbuds for what I would call normal use, and that's just using it for music, movies, podcasts, anything voice related on my mobile device. And even then, not taking into account the low latency stuff, the sound quality is great. For music, the bass is punchy, mids are clean, and the highs aren't too tinny. Overall, if you're a fan of Soundcore's soundscape, then you'll be a fan of the P10. Now for mobile games, although they do use Bluetooth, so there isn't that sort of super low latency, the sound is really great and also the latency isn't even that bad these days. So playing something like Call of Duty Mobile or Apex Mobile was great even on the Bluetooth side of things. There was very little to low latency, and again in terms of the connection side of things, super strong connection. I didn't have any dropouts or any issues there either, and again using what was on screen compared to what was going through to the earbud, although on Bluetooth it still did a really good job. Now battery life wise, you're getting around 6 hours of full playtime, and that goes up to 24 hours when you take into account the charging case, so again not too bad. Although compared to some of Soundcore's other earbuds, the battery life does lack a little bit, maybe compared to 8 or 10 hours from some of the other things that they can offer. You do also have the Soundcore app, and with the VR P10 earbuds, you can again adjust things like the lighting side of things, EQ settings, touch controls, again most of the standard stuff that you would do if you're using a standard pair of earbuds. However, you can also go in and change the connection side of things, so where you're going to have that USB-C dongle plugged in, so again super easy and super quick switching between devices for that low latency mode. So overall, with some great features and sound quality to match, can I recommend the VR P10 for anyone looking for earbuds? Well, not necessarily. If you are into heavy gaming, especially VR gaming with the Meta Quest 2 for example, or you're just more of a fan of using wireless earbuds with gaming on the PlayStation, PC side of things, then I can definitely recommend these earbuds. They do a really great job, that low latency mode is incredible, and they also sound pretty good and look good too. However, if you're looking for a pair of earbuds just to use day to day for music, movies, TV shows, podcasts, mainly sort of mobile focused media, then I think Soundcore do have some other options that may be a little bit better suited to you, like the Liberty Force for example, which I have done a review on recently, which will be linked in the description below if you wanted to check those ones out. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. If you've got any questions or comments about this or anything else on the channel, let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And once you've hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on those notifications so you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.